So this is Apparitions Hall. And I'll be honest with you, this place has a special place in my heart because it's where I was baptized as a little baby. And behind these walls is travertine marble. This was put in shortly before I arrived, and it's a beautiful way of honoring Our Lady with all these beautiful, wonderful apparitions. But we want to be able to bring in some votive candles, make it a very prayerful space. And the stark white and gray really does not blend in with much of the rest of the church. And so we want to make, again, a consistent vision. And so we'd like to restore the chapel back to its original place. The walls, the travertine walls are still in good shape. We would bring the altar that is not used over in the Adoration Chapel, bring that back because it's the travertine altar that was here. And again, it would be a place where we could have small liturgies or small moments of prayer for our school kids, for families, for couples, for families, and things like that. So we have some beautiful reminders of not only who the statue is of Our Lady of Knock, we have Our Lady of Guadalupe. We want to, again, maintain these beautiful memorials that people have given so beautifully and generously, but we want to make sure that they, again, blend in with the atmosphere that we want to create here. We have this beautiful mosaic that was created of Our Lady. And I'll be honest with you, this is one of my favorite images in the entire church. So many times that I've been in this chapel, this image has stood watch. And so we want to make sure that we continue to maintain this beautiful image for many years to come, that it may be an icon for all of us of the hope of Our Lady and her prayers and intercession for us as she ascends to heaven.